This is a final video to fix Hisense TV Error Code 102 and get your favorite shows back on the screen. Are you seeing this exact error code right now and feeling stuck because your streaming apps will not load? This problem usually happens because your television loses its secret handshake with the internet, or the internal settings get a little bit confused. You probably noticed that most solutions on YouTube or social media are way too long and very hard to follow for a normal person. Here at Rexis, we make things easy, and we have 4 proven methods to fix this error today. I guarantee that at least one of these 4 ways will work for you, even if your TV seems completely broken right now. Please pause this video right now so you can try these methods one by one, or take a screenshot of each part to save for later. You need to pay close attention to the screen and follow the steps exactly as they appear. Do not skip any part of the process. If you want your TV to work again, you just need to follow the method step by step as they show on the screen right now.